pardon my sensitivity. Putang ina ka, bakit mo naman animal ka? Sabi, ay ganon kasi ako, Mayor. Pag tinamaan ako, nagyayabang pa ang putang ina niya. Pag kung walang iba, pati yung kambing namin, wala. Salvage time talaga tayo dito. Bakit kubuhayan yung putang inang yun? May bukas yan. Ang pamilya kasi magsabi, wag na lang demandahin mo yun, kapatid eh. Ganon ang nangyari sa pamilya. Pag nahuli na, dito isang gobernador, nanalo ngayon. Nasa kulungan pa. Yung anak niyang isa, congressman. Nung last election, and before this, tatakbo siya ng gobernador. Ibangag. Kung dala namin dyan sa airport, kasi parehab dito. Alam mo, sa airport nagkalat. Umiyak tapos parang bata, ayaw talaga magpadala. Yung nanay, congressman ngayon, tatay nanalo pagka-mayor. Sabi ko, patay na lang natin to. So yung nanay, mayor, sabi man, mama, ayaw ko magpunta doon. Only child, walang asawa. Yun the child. Alam mo, ang nanay kasi, nanay. Mayor, wag na lang, kaawa. Sige. Ayan, nakalak palagi sa bahay nila. Nanalo ang tatay rin kasi may graft and murder man siguro. Ngayon, graft and corruption nandyan sa provincial jail. Yan ang istorya dito. Kaya ako walang atrasan. Kung matanggal ako sa trabaho, fine. Dito. Kung yan lang ang patakot sa akin, impeach, go ahead. Kudita kayo? Sige, kudita kayo dyan. Ako ba mag-swear-in sa inyo? Sige, ilang general kayo gustong mag-take over? Mahirap yan kasi may problema tayo. It's war. It's not a crisis. 700 ang nag-surrender. PDEA says 2 years ago that there are 3 million addicts in this country. That's 2 years ago. Now, incremental increase by the use of drugs, place it at about a conservative rate. Dagdagan mo ng 700. So, thereon 700, it's about 3,700,000. Saan ko ito ilagay? Ito kasi user. Puser tagayan. Huwag mo sabihin na user ka user. Kung anak ka ni Ayala, ni Gokong Wei, maniwala pa ako. Pero kung taga-Tondo ka, blighted area sa Davao, hindi ako I'm not trying to insult my fellow men. Dumaan ako sa hirap. Talagang 1956, nakita ko bahay namin sa Davao, dinemolis. If I close my eyes and take a deep breath, I could still imagine yung amoy ng water lilies doon, pati yung tubig. Kaya, okay, masyado yung dahil mahirap. Mahirap rin ako. Kaya huwag ninyo ang bulahin. Bula ba kayo? Poverty and whatever cannot be used because it is already the nation that you are trying to destroy by being a member of that apparatus. Hindi na ito basta isang salita because I have ordered the opening of the military camps because ang military lang ang may mga big spaces reservation. Sabi ko sa kanila, give me 1 hectare in every region. I have to build rehab centers all over the country. Apurado lang yung mga gago eh. It cannot come overnight. I have to design a parang cottage. Tapos I have to employ doctors, plenty of them, and pay them the rate that they are getting from the private sector para they will stay there and treat the Filipino. I would need a lot of nurses. Sabihin mo lang 500,000 o 3 million, whichever is correct. I still have to worry even if it is only one Filipino. O yan ang problema ko ngayon. But it will really come to pass that we have just to do something about our countrymen. I have repeatedly told you, we cannot build a nation by killing our own citizens, and that goes for wars. MI, MN, pati itong komunista. That's why simultaneously, even before I took my oath of office, talagang naglakad na ako. I was sending already people to talk to them. Kasi pag hindi ito natapos, pag hindi ko ito natapos itong problema sa drugs, walang Pilipino na presidente makatapos yan. Tingnan mo. 7 years from now, double the addicts by the increase. Then we will have the narco politics. There's a book, Ion Grillo. It can be bought anywhere online. This is the history of the failed states of South America because of the drug cartels. Ngayon, itong mga mayaman, may mga eroplano. Yung iba talagang gumagamit. Pati yan nandiyan na makita mo mga biligos. But they use cocaine and heroin. It is not as destructive as shabu. Because it is grown naturally. Poppy yan eh. So it's organic. But itong shabu is a deadly mix of chemicals. 1 year of constant use sa shabu would shrink the brain of a person, and therefore rehab is no longer viable. Sabi ng forensics. Lumiit na eh. So kung ikaw may pamilya ka, pumasok dyan, may isang inutil ka dyan, na magnanakaw ng pera mo, anong bagay-bagay ipabili sa labas, then after that, if there's no more to steal, they go to some other people's house. And by the time they go there, nakabugog na, they rape the mother, the wife. Kaya tayo walang security. Even if you, ngayon, you leave your house, na maraming gonggong, baka pumasok sa, at in Davao, noon ang ginawa nila, pero yun, it was a problem. Because at Davao noon, whoever claimed to be an Al-Samasa member or against the communists, were given freely arms. Nakikita ko, nagmamanufacture na sila sa mga military camp, yung paltik, just to fight the communists. Nung panahon na wala ng komunista, with so many hands in the hands of the idiots, they started. Papasok sila ng bahay, i-hostage nila yung bahay, and then they demand money, and since you know that you cannot get more than 50,000 every withdrawal, so mag-stambayan sila doon for how many days? At the same time, they eat and border, they drink and they rape every night the wife, the children, and the maids. O anong gawin ko pag gano'n? Pag nakakarap mo ako, sorry ka. I mean, I'm sorry. It's not easy to take human life, but I am sorry. Ganon talaga. One less evil. The last one would be me. Kasi tigapatay mo ako ng tao, but I'm ready to face God. And I would just say, well, I am at your disposal. Pero kung mapunta ako ng impyerno, hindi ako magpalugi. Hindi naman talaga ako yung gagawin. Napasubo lang. Ang una kong gawin naman, papuntahin mo ako ng impyerno. Ang unang sipain ko, Satanas, putang ina ka, umalis ka dyan. May bagong tigas dito, hindi, balbakuwa yung buntot mo, animal ka. Bakit ako punta ng hell? Hindi naman ako, wala mong evil intent. Ngayon, yan dyan, wala ako, pasensya ako. Either you turn in, sacrifice, told the barangay captains, let them report every day in the meantime. Keep them busy. Basketball, just keep track of their whereabouts. When the time comes, I would begin to